We look on the consumer sentiment side. It's hard to put too much stock in some of these numbers because I think a lot of it is survey based, which you always got to put an asterisk on. But multiple readings last week that were quite weak, both the conference board, the University of Michigan, and then even within that PCE release, a lot of concerns about consumer sentiment and spending data, which the consumer is a massive part of the economy. So definitely highlighting some concerns around growth. And that's really why we've seen this rally over the last few weeks. And Atlanta GDPNow tracker now showing a negative 1.5% real GDP growth rate, which I think a couple of caveats. It tends to be very volatile, and you can see some weird headlines off of that too. So I don't want to put too much stock in it, but definitely highlights a pretty sharp downward revision in growth, at least in that tool. It should become more accurate later in March as we get towards the end of the quarter. It should get close to what we're actually going to see GDP come at, but it was at 2.3% before. So it saw a massive revision just this last week